Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, we will learn how to set up device cleanup rule in Microsoft Intune. We usually see cell devices in Microsoft Intune which are not cleaned up on time, and because of this, we face challenges to keep the Intune device portal up to date. With Intune device cleanup rules, we can set up a rule that will automatically clean devices that are stale, unresponsive, or haven't checked in certain amount of time, meaning that those devices are inactive for a certain amount of time. The rule allows us to choose a number between 30 to 270 to clean up the devices which are unresponsive, stale, or didn't check in recently from Microsoft Intune portal. So I am logging into Microsoft Admin Center using the URL intune.microsoft.com. We can also use endpoint.microsoft.com to log into Intune Admin Center. Make sure you have required permissions to perform these steps. So once you are in Tune, let's go ahead and define our device cleanup rules to keep devices section up to date. Let's go to devices. In the devices section, scroll down and you will find organized devices. In organized devices, you will find device cleanup rules here. By default, the device cleanup rule is disabled and set to no. Let's set it to yes. And once we click on yes, we will have to specify a time frame since the device last checked in. Please note that Intune will delete a device based on the custom number of days we will define here. If we define 30 days here, the device will be automatically deleted from Intune. In most cases, it is recommended to define 90 days. For example, if any employee has gone on a long vacation and his device isn't checked in last 30, 40, 60 or 80 days. So in that case, the recommendation is define 90 days here. But this setting is totally dependent upon your organization, that what your organization wants and what they want to set up, right? Here we can define either 30 days or 270 days, right? If I define 29 days, this will pop up here that the value must be at least 30 days. If I go to 30 days, this will accept 30 days. So let's see if I define 269. No, I mean if I enter 271 here, this will pop up that the value must be 270. So we can define below 270 and above 29, right? So let's define here 90. Once you specify the value here, this will say that after you click save, all devices that have been inactive for specified number of days will immediately be deleted from Intune. Intune will continue to delete devices as they exceeded the number of set days. Reports with data about deleted devices may take up to 48 hours. This could take at least 48 hours to clean up your all environment according to the number of days you have defined here. So here you will also have the option of view affected devices where you can view all of the affected devices or the devices that will be deleted after defining this number of days here, right? And you can also get export the report of your devices and you can download them in the Excel sheet, right? Clean up affected devices for your record, or if you want to provide someone with their record that these devices will be deleted. Okay, so I have downloaded the report as well. Let me show you and let's see how report will look. Okay, I got the report open here. So we have option the device name, last check-in time, and the operating system. Right. These three devices will be deleted from Microsoft Intune according to our defined number of days. Now let's go ahead and save this rule, right? Let's hit save. The pop-up message will say that devices that have been inactive for specified number of days will be deleted from Intune. Save changes to your device cleanup rules. Yes, it's saving our setting, and now the setting is saved regarding device cleanup rule. Once a global administrator or Intune service administrator set up this rule, the Intune will automatically run a job to check this setting according to the number of days we have defined here, and Intune will clean up those stale, unresponsive, or the devices that are not checked in Microsoft Intune since last 90 days. Remember, this rule will be applied only to Intune admin portal, and the device will be removed only from Microsoft Intune. Right? Device will not get removed from Azure Active Directory. Right? For Azure Active Directory, the Azure Active Directory admin have to perform the cleanup task to remove stale or unresponsive devices from Azure Active Directory separately. So that's it about today's simple tutorial about how to remove stale or unresponsive devices automatically from Microsoft Intune using Microsoft Endpoint Manager. I hope you have enjoyed this 2D point and simple video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.